To create this crystal grid for the Goddess Brigid at Imbolc, I'm starting with a small statue of Brigid. Next, I'm adding a small coin with a Brigid's cross, a symbol of Brigid's connection to Imbolc. Now I'm adding 3 sets of crystals to represent the 3 aspects of this goddess, starting with red garnet and pyrite to represent Brigid's aspect as the healer. Now I'm placing some citrine and carnelian to connect with Brigid's second aspect as the hearth keeper. Finally, I'm placing a ruby and fire agate to connect with Brigid's third aspect as the goddess of the forge. I've placed these crystals in an upward pointing triangle, a symbol of the fire element, which is sacred to this goddess. You can choose to embody just one of these aspects by using just one type of crystal in all 3 places, or you can use any combination of the 6 stones I've mentioned.